You love your dog, and you do everything for them: feed them, walk them, give them treats, and shower them with affection. But what if I told you that not every dog loves their owner back? What if your dog is just tolerating you, or worse, actively avoiding you? Many people assume that a dog's loyalty is automatic. But the truth is, dogs have emotions just like us, and sometimes they don't feel the bond we think they do. Your dog may not be able to speak, but they are constantly communicating. Through body language, through behavior, and sometimes through the ways they react to you. If your dog avoids eye contact, moves away when you try to pet them, or refuses to take treats from your hand, that's not just random behavior, that's a warning sign. A happy, bonded dog wags their tail when they see you, runs to greet you, and enjoys spending time with you. But if your dog hides, ignores your commands, or even growls at you, something is wrong. And if you miss these signals, your relationship with your dog could suffer permanently. Stay with me until the end, because the last sign is the most heartbreaking one of all. Sign 1. They avoid eye contact. Eye contact is one of the strongest ways a dog communicates with their owner. When a dog looks into your eyes, it's a sign of trust, love, and connection. But if your dog refuses to meet your gaze, that's a warning sign. A dog that avoids eye contact might be uncomfortable, anxious, or even afraid. Some dogs naturally avoid direct eye contact because of their personality or past experiences. But if your dog used to look at you and suddenly stops, that's a red flag. They may turn their head away when you try to engage, keep their eyes low, or even walk off when you look at them. This is a clear sign that something is wrong with your bond. In the dog world, prolonged eye contact can be a challenge or a sign of dominance. But a happy, well-adjusted dog will still make brief, soft eye contact with their trusted human. If your dog actively avoids looking at you, they may not feel safe or comfortable around you. This could be due to a lack of trust, past negative experiences, or even fear. The good news is, you can rebuild that trust. Avoid forcing eye contact and instead use gentle interactions, positive reinforcement, and patience. A dog that feels safe will slowly start looking at you again. But if they continue to avoid your gaze, it's time to take a closer look at your relationship and what might be causing their discomfort. Sign 2. They move away when you come close. Dogs naturally seek out the people they love and trust. If your dog enjoys your company, they will want to be near you, follow you around, and sit by your side. But if your dog moves away when you approach, that's a clear sign that something is wrong. A dog that shifts away when you sit next to them, walks off when you enter a room, or stands up and moves when you try to pet them is not just being independent. They are actively avoiding you. This could mean they feel uncomfortable, anxious, or even afraid in your presence. Some dogs react this way after a negative experience, such as punishment, yelling, or rough handling. Others may have never built a strong bond with their owner in the first place. It's important to pay attention to their body language. If they move away but still glance back at you with a relaxed posture, they might just want space. But if they avoid looking at you, tuck their tail, or stiffen up when you approach, that's a sign of discomfort. The best way to rebuild trust is to let your dog come to you on their own terms. Avoid forcing interactions, give them space, and use positive reinforcement when they choose to be near you. Over time, a dog that feels safe and respected will naturally start seeking your presence instead of avoiding it. Sign 3. They refuse treats or food from you. Dogs love food. It's one of their biggest motivators and a clear sign of trust. A happy, comfortable dog will eagerly take treats from their owner's hand. But if your dog refuses to eat from you, that's a serious red flag. When a dog turns away from food you offer, it can mean they are feeling stressed, anxious, or uncomfortable around you. In some cases, it could be due to illness, but if your dog eats normally when someone else feeds them, then the problem isn't their appetite, it's their relationship with you. Dogs associate food with positive experiences. If your dog refuses a treat, they might not trust you enough to accept it. This can happen if they've had negative interactions, like harsh discipline, loud scolding, or inconsistent behavior from you. Even if you mean well, a dog that feels uneasy around you will hesitate to take food. Watch their body language. Do they take treats from others but not you? Do they sniff the food but walk away? These are signs that your bond needs work. To rebuild trust, try hand feeding them in a calm, quiet environment. Use soft tones, offer high-value treats, and give them space to feel safe. Over time, as your dog learns that you are a source of positive experiences, they'll start accepting food from you again. A dog that won't take food from you isn't just being picky, they're telling you something important. Sign 4. They don't wag their tail when they see you. A wagging tail is one of the biggest signs of a happy dog. When a dog loves and trusts their owner, their whole body responds with excitement. They wag their tail, bounce on their feet, and show pure joy when you walk through the door. But if your dog stays still, keeps their tail low, or doesn't wag at all when they see you, that's a warning sign. Tail movement is a key part of dog communication. A slow, stiff wag or no wag at all can mean they feel unsure or even uncomfortable around you. If your dog wags their tail for others but not for you, it's an even bigger sign that something is wrong in your relationship. A tail tucked between the legs or a motionless posture when you approach can mean fear, stress, or emotional distance. It's important to look at the full picture. Some dogs have naturally low wagging tails, and certain breeds are less expressive. But if your dog used to greet you with excitement and has stopped, or if their tail stays stiff when you're around, they may not feel connected to you. To rebuild that bond, focus on positive interactions. Spend time playing, use soft tones, and avoid forcing attention on them. The more comfortable they feel, the more natural their happy tail wags will return. A wagging tail is more than just movement, it's a sign of trust, and if it's missing, something is off. Sign 5. They bare their teeth or growl at you. Dogs don't growl or show their teeth for no reason. When a dog does this, they are sending a clear message: they feel uncomfortable, threatened, or defensive. If your dog growls at you, snaps, or bares their teeth, it's a serious sign that they may not trust you, or worse, they see you as a threat. Some people assume that a growling dog is just being aggressive, but that's not always the case. Growling is a form of communication. It means your dog is uncomfortable with something you're doing. Maybe they don't like how you approach them, how you pet them, or how you handle them. If this happens regularly, it's a sign that your dog is not comfortable around you. Pay attention to their body language. A stiff body, pinned back ears, or a raised lip are signs of discomfort. If your dog growls when you try to touch them, pick them up, or even when you enter a room, it's time to take a step back. Punishing a dog for growling only makes things worse. It teaches them to hide their discomfort instead of expressing it. Instead, focus on rebuilding trust. Give them space, use positive reinforcement, and avoid forcing interactions. A dog that feels safe will have no reason to growl at you. If the behavior continues or worsens, consult a professional trainer to help repair your bond before it turns into a bigger problem. Sign 6. They ignore your commands. A well-bonded dog listens to their owner. They respond to commands not just because they are trained but because they trust and respect you. But if your dog ignores you completely, refusing to come when called, not sitting when asked, or acting as if you don't exist, it could be a sign they don't like or trust you. Dogs aren't stubborn for no reason. If they used to listen but have stopped, something has changed in your relationship. Maybe they don't feel connected to you, or they've learned that listening to you doesn't bring positive rewards. If they obey other people but not you, that are an even bigger red flag. Ignoring commands isn't just about training. It's about respect and trust. A dog that feels close to you wants to listen. If they walk away when you speak or seem uninterested in what you ask, they may not see you as their trusted leader. To fix this, avoid yelling or punishing them. Instead, use positive reinforcement, treats, and fun training sessions to rebuild your bond. Make listening to you something they enjoy. When a dog truly trusts and likes you, they don't just listen, they want to. Sign 7. They hide from you. Dogs don't hide from people they love and trust. If your dog runs under the bed, behind furniture, or into another room when you enter, that's a serious sign that something is wrong. A dog that hides is trying to avoid you, which means they may feel afraid, anxious, or uncomfortable in your presence. This behavior can happen for several reasons. Maybe they've had negative experiences, such as harsh discipline or loud scolding. Maybe they don't feel safe around you because of inconsistent behavior or past trauma. If your dog only hides from you but interacts normally with others, it's a clear sign that your relationship needs work. Pay attention to their body language. If they cower, tuck their tail, or avoid eye contact while hiding, they are feeling stress or fear. The worst thing you can do is force them out of hiding. Instead, give them space, speak softly, and use positive reinforcement to rebuild trust. A dog that hides from their owner is not being playful or independent, they are showing distress. With patience, kindness, and gentle interactions, you can help them feel safe again. When they stop hiding and start coming to you willingly, you'll know your bond is growing stronger. Sign 8. They don't like being petted by you. Dogs love affection when it comes from someone they trust. If your dog flinches, pulls away, or walks off when you try to pet them, it's a clear sign that they may not feel comfortable with you. A happy, bonded dog leans into your touch, wags their tail, or even asks for belly rubs. But if your dog avoids your hand, turns their head, or stiffens up, something is wrong. This behavior can happen for many reasons. Maybe they've had negative experiences with rough handling, past trauma, or inconsistent treatment. If they enjoy being petted by other people but not you, that's an even bigger sign that your bond needs work. Some dogs are naturally less affectionate, but they should still tolerate gentle touch from someone they trust. The key is to let your dog decide when they want attention. Don't force petting, wait for them to come to you. Use slow, gentle movements and watch their reaction. If they lean in, they're comfortable. If they pull away, respect their space. Over time, as they feel safer with you, they may start to enjoy your touch. A dog that trusts you won't just allow petting, they'll seek it out. Sign 9. They act more excited around other people. Dogs naturally show excitement when they see someone they love. If your dog greets friends, family members, or even strangers with tail wags, happy jumps, and playful energy, but barely reacts when they see you, that's a warning sign. It means they may feel a stronger bond with others than they do with you. This can happen for several reasons. Maybe your interactions with them have been mostly negative or inconsistent. Maybe they associate other people with fun, treats, or kindness while seeing you as a source of stress or discipline. If your dog seems more eager to cuddle, play, or obey commands from someone else, it's time to reevaluate your relationship. Watch their body language. Do they light up when someone else enters the room but remain neutral or uninterested when you do? That's a clear sign that they don't feel the same level of trust or affection toward you. The good news is you can fix this. Spend more quality time with your dog, play, train, give treats, and create positive experiences. The more enjoyable moments they associate with you, the stronger your bond will become. A dog that truly loves you won't just tolerate you, they'll be happiest when you're around. Sign 10. They show no interest in playtime with you. Play is one of the strongest ways dogs bond with their owners. A happy, connected dog will wag their tail, bring you toys, and get excited when you initiate play. But if your dog ignores your attempts, refuses to engage, or walks away when you try to play, that's a clear sign something is wrong. Dogs naturally crave fun and interaction, especially with people they love. If your dog plays with other pets or family members but not with you, they may not feel comfortable or connected to you. This could be due to past negative experiences, lack of trust, or simply not associating you with fun and positivity. Watch their reaction. Do they turn their head when you toss a toy? Do they seem disinterested or even leave the room? This means they're not excited by your presence, and that's a problem. The best way to rebuild this bond is to make playtime rewarding. Find out what games they love, fetch, tug of war, or even gentle wrestling. Use a cheerful voice, offer treats, and keep the experience positive. Over time, as they associate you with fun and happiness, they'll start looking forward to playtime with you again. Dogs may not speak, but their actions say everything. If your dog avoids eye contact, ignores commands, refuses treats, or moves away from you, they may not feel safe or connected to you. These signs don't mean your dog hates you, but they do mean your bond needs work. The good news is, trust can be rebuilt with patience, kindness, and positive interactions. Focus on creating happy experiences, respecting their space, and reinforcing good behavior. Over time, your dog will learn to see you as a source of love and security. A strong bond is always possible, it just takes time.